Hey you all, are you looking into making that special yummy party taste jollof rice? Here is the best place to learn that. This is one of my best recipe, my favorite one. All ingredients are listed down in description below. Just follow through and you'll be making an amazing one. Red bell peppers, fresh tomatoes, Scotch bonnet peppers, red onions, garlic cloves, chunk of gingers. My pepper mix has been clean and cut into pieces. I took out the seed from the fresh tomatoes. I'll be adding my ginger and garlic. Then I'll be using just 1/2 of the 2 red onions. The other one I'll be cutting into pieces to use to fry my tomato paste, and I'll be adding just a little bit of oil onto my pepper mix just to be able to grill without burning too much. I'll be transferring my pepper mix into the grilling bowl. Then I will be grilling this or roasting in the oven for 35 minutes on 200 degrees. This is after it has been roasted, and I'll be putting it in the blender to blend. But firstly, I'm gonna take out my my garlic from the shell. Remember from the last video, to prevent burning, you keep the skin on. I'll be adding the juice so that it will be easy for me to blend. In a pot, add your cooking oil, add finely chopped onions, saute for about 5 to 7 minutes. Add tomato paste. We call it tin tomatoes in Nigeria, and fry for about 5 to 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, add pepper mix. Seasoning powder, curry powder, thyme, bay leaves, and salt. Mix thoroughly until everything is well combined. For 10 to 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, at this point I'll be changing my pot into a bigger one, and because of that one it's already sticky, so I'll be pouring in my turkey stock, washed rice, add in my fried pepper mix, stir until everything is well combined. I'll be adding warm water. Let this cook on medium heat for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, as you can see, I still have a little bit of water left. I'll be stirring this. As you can see, some of the rice are not as cooked as the other. I'll be placing foil paper on top of this and let it cook on a low heat for extra 10 minutes. Voila, and it is ready. At this moment, the aroma in the house smells so good. If you try this recipe, I promise you your Christmas party jollof rice is ready. This recipe does not only look good, it smells good and it tastes so good. Everyone is gonna love this. Try this today and thank you for watching. Bye bye.